Hi everyone, Cliff here for yctestdrive. So I was waiting for my colleague Ralph to come take me somewhere where we got a new car. I don't know what kind of a car it is, so follow me so that you see what kind of a car it is. I'm really looking forward to it. So, Ralph, are we going?
Then we wait for that car.
Which car?
At Wangara.
No. I need to go get that car.
Yeah, I knew. Because you can make one trip.
No, let's go. I need to go get the other car. I'm looking forward to see it. And I don't know. What is it?
Listen. For us, find out if the car is ready.
Julle twee kan gaan hè. Is die kar klaar is?
Dan moet ek
Is
nog-
dat Cliff? Hy sal loop môre kan volmaak.
Oh, Cliff.
Die kar
Cliff,
gaan
then you must fill up that one.
Yeah, I can fill it up because I'm going with it to Swakop.
Off of that one.
With that car, I'm
we'll
going with it
come
to
back
Swakop.
and give you the money.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right. So, waiting for Ralph. He's just quickly getting something and then we are going to get that car. So I'm so looking forward to it. Yes. So, just as I said, we are going to get the car. What's your problem, Ralph? I'm going to record you if you try to
Where's
complain
this
and I'll
thing
tell
for-
them. Which
for
thing?
Nee man, it's too. Where is this?
It's just find it, Ralph. Find it. Stop complaining about those things. Your door is not even closed. My driver is Ralph. He's complaining.
Why is the steering so...
What do you mean about steering, Ralph? Stop complaining about the steering wheel. What's wrong with
Why
the
are you
steering wheel?
pointing my finger? No.
The problem is you are complaining. That's why I'm pointing at you. Look at the cloud. Hopefully it rains now. Oh, this aircon is making so much noise in here.
It's not that cold.
Otherwise you forget again. Ralph, where are you going? I thought you were parking. But Ralph, you are too far.
Move out.
You must move forward. Look at the other car next to you. You must be straight with the other car next to you.
At the same height.
Same height, same length, same everything.
Ah, that one is higher.
No, it's not higher. It's the same.
Can't be.
It's safe for you. these side skirts as well, which is really quite good. You come with a 16-inch ring. Yeah, that's really good. You have the reflectors there, and then you have fog lights, and then it comes with this bumper, which is very good. Just doing some paperwork, signature. Just made a mistake. I was supposed to write country of cooperation, so it's Namibia. Registration number is 218. Finish signing. Registration paper. You can't take it home. What do you mean you must take it home?
I did. Tonight.
No, wait, robot.
Yeah.
No, you can't take that home.
Yeah, you can. Just take it. The accountant, you do the payment.
Yeah.
You make sure he's getting paid, so you can take it. True.
So
Where's
each
the
car
other
comes
one?
with 2
This
keys.
car comes with 2 cars.
Okay.
Who's the other one?
So
The other
here
one
is
is-
the other one that you came with.
Yeah,
That's the other
that's
key.
the other key. And these small
also,
keys?
The small key is for the lock. Yeah. So like this.
Yeah.
But please also educate your guys. That's why this one is here. So
So that you can you are able
not
to pull it.
smash it against. So when you pull it, it's accessible. And this can open like this.
Yeah. So I saw it. It's
you
a
can
little,
open.
it's quite hard, which is
Yes,
still
yes,
new.
which is
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
But in this, it locks like
It's
that.
nice, yeah.
So it can't be opened in this. But if they want their things, to be more secure,
More secure. Yeah. So that's how you.
that is locked now.
Yeah. And close it for.
It can't be opened.
I like that it has this thing to prevent dust really from going
Yes,
inside. So that's very good.
So it is open as is.
Yeah.
So
Okay. So these are the 2 keys.
this is for this vehicle.
Okay.
This is for that vehicle.
Okay.
I have 2 gifts. So this
gifts?
one is yours. Wherever you want to take it. Yeah. It's your, and that one is Landa's.
I don't have. I don't have.
No, definitely. So, thank you very much, guys, for your business.
Yeah.
It was lovely.
It
doing
is
business
all
with you.
lovely. We hope to do more business. Really,
Yes,
I
you
appreciate.
might.
I like the way how this guy. It sounds like a movie, like a movie that wants to start when you put in the keys. Just listen to that. Aye, Mahindra Rise. Aye. Why Mahindra? So, 30 kilometers just now. 30 kilometers that this car has driven since it was made, since it was manufactured. So, Apple CarPlay, I will do a full review of this car. I can't wait to drive it on gravel road and just really do a review. And yeah, so I've had a number of followers that have asked me to do a review of this car. Here it is, followers, and here it is. We are going to do a review of it. Lovely.